Thread rod, racing.
That's the best box I've had, and I've probably bought 30 in the last 2 years doing this, from single subs to dual subs to 4.
This one don't open?
No.
Base is breaking it.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
I love the tape, and I learned that a buddy of mine showed me his video, and I went and bought like 30 rolls.
It helps. Nice.
It really does, dude. I've got everything taped. There's probably 16 layers in here.
Wow.
And the dash is all done. I just keep the mat on so I can see the drive.
Your doors are solid too.
Very solid.
Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Whew. All right, name, equipment, everything real quick.
My name is Dustin Rhodes, and on Facebook I'm Beat King Dusty. I got 4 custom built Sundown ZV3 motors, U baskets, NSV2 coils and spiders with SPL surrounds and ZV5 dust caps. 110 amp 12K MD. It's a 1-ohm version. I'm running it at half-ohm, which is kind of scary. I've had a couple of them pop, and I got a Pioneer PRS 80 40 amp hour lithium, 390 amp JS alternator, and I can't even remember the name of the voltage regulator I got, but it seems to do pretty good.
Yes, sir. So what made you do roundovers on the window, near the window?
I worked at a fabric shop, and I could get as many of these tubes as I wanted. So I put them everywhere and tested. So if you don't see one somewhere, it didn't help or it hurt.
Okay, got it.
I bought 2 meters when I started doing this so I could kind of test.
Yeah.
I only have door speakers for you to hear on the demo because...
That's all right. I'm a bass person. I can listen to just bass.
That's the way I am too. So I won the door speakers on a raffle.
Look at that. You got a little round over there.
That's why I have. Yeah, these are 2-inch tubes from where I worked at, and these are 3-inch.
Nice. And you built the box. You did everything.
Adam Romano built the box for me from Anderson, South Carolina.
All right.
From Loud Trunks Unlimited.
Yep.
He built the box for me, and he did a fantastic job.
Nice. Looks sturdy.
I picked up 4 numbers from just the change of box.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yes, it was very impressive. And I'm trying my best to find this song for you so we can
You're good.
get some good demo going on here. I'm not used to playing music though very much.
Good. And what was your meter score?
It was 158.3.
Nice. That's great.
I'm very happy with it. Like,
what was your frequency peak?
50.
50. Okay.
I burp at 50. I'm not sure why so high.
It's the resonance of your vehicle.
Maybe because I've added so much wood and stuff also. I've added a whole lot.
Have you ever done bracing on the roof?
I tried one, but I didn't have the one that everybody else has that pulls down. Mine was spread apart.
Spread apart, yep.
So I'm trying to find somebody to make me the one I need now.
Okay.
Oh, I got my eyes out.
You're good.
I cut everything off when I'm metered to try to save every little bit of juice.
That's the way to do it.
Shattering glass and tapping asses. This is DJ Rusticles. DA got that dough. Ready? Ice she cute. Fuck her on that yacht, having a pool. brains at the coop. Pulling one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been no pool. Yeah. Pulling one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been no pool. Yeah.
I'm really sorry, bro. I want to give you the best
Great.
demo ever.
Don't blow nothing.
I just blew one up weekend before last, and Sky High blessed me and sent me a brand new one for free. So I'm gonna buy another one this week so I can run them at one on my piece.
Yes, sir. Wow.
So I'm
That's
like I say, my Quest is a 60.
Yep.
I'm in the upstate of South Carolina. Sonny Smith in the Green Gorilla. He's the next dude above me. He's loud as hell, and hell, I want to be like him when I grow up. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
It's all about being the loudest.
Yes, sir.
Tell him them little 6.5s get loud.
They do.
Yeah. Awesome.
And just for everybody out there on YouTube, man, hit them where it hurts.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Does your back open?
One door does. I can't open one door.
Okay.
The other one is broken. It's the
Okay.
rods that go to it.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Thanks, Daddy.
The lock's kind of iffy. It's pushed it back in, but I can still.
Nice. That's what I was curious
It
of. How
is
you...
a very sturdy box.
Wow.
You can smell them a little bit. That's only the second time I've smelled them. I bought them in January, and
Wow.
I've been them to death everywhere I go.
That's a really good brace box. Really efficient. You can tell all the way across.
I tell you what, man.
Thread rod, bracing.
That's the best box I've had, and I've probably bought 30 in the last 2 years doing this. From single subs to dual
Yes, sir.
subs to 4.
This one don't open?
No,
Base is breaking it. It's gonna
tore everything up, man.
You got everything taped off though.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
I foamed in the factory or the rear air and
Yep.
then taped it. I just tried to make it as slick and as airtight as I
Yep.
possibly could. I've re-glued around the inside of the windows with the same thing
Wow.
they put your windshields in
Yep.
with. Spray foam, drilled holes and filled the whole quarter panels in with foam. Just trying to get it as loud as possible.
Did you test your length difference?
I did. I went back 2 inches and it was like 0.6 lower.
Okay.
I came forward 2 inches and it was like 0.3 lower.
0.3 lower, so you gained right. That's
there,
right where it is.
Right
Yeah.
there is, unless I really can't cock it because of the fender wells.
Yeah.
But I think it would do better if I could angle the port, but I can't.
Awesome.
But I'm so impressed with the box, man. I tell you, that was probably the best part, the best thing I bought for the build.
Nice work. Thank you for showing me, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you.
Y'all have
That
a
was
great
great.
day.
You too. Appreciate the demo, man. That was awesome.
Anytime. When next time I see you, I'll have both hands.
All right.
Down then.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get a.
Catch them subs on fire for you.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, they'll need a recon by then anyway. Don't worry.
Ice World. brains at the coop. Pully one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been up pool. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.